Damn. Are you listening?
Today we're unboxing the Clevr sit and stand desk. There's a motorized motor on there that brings it up to different heights that you want to. I got this on Amazon. I'll leave again everything I review on this channel. I will leave the link down below. I bought it on Amazon for around $65. It comes in two parts. So you have the stand itself and you have the desktop right there, the top of the desk right here. On Amazon, if you want, you can probably buy just the motorized part of it, and you can buy a different top for it. Even at IKEA or different places, they sell a lot of different top of desk, so you can probably choose the one you want, the color you want. So hopefully everything should be in there, the tools and everything you need should be in there. So it's pretty heavy. That's a good sign, because the heavier it is the more stable it should be. So we open the top of the desk right now. This was well wrapped. Oh, really nice. No scratches and no damage during shipping. It's pretty heavy, I have to tell you. Pretty heavy. Seems to be working. The main reason I bought this desk is because sometimes you get tired of sitting. I have a bad back, so this will come in real handy. I'm tired of sitting, I can bring this up higher to a standing position. Work from here. This is perfect. So right here you can see they have a digital readout right here. You can just press to see where it's at. So right now it's at 29.5, the height right now of the floor. I can bring it up or down, so you can see right here I can bring it up. Or I can bring it down. You can see I have different numbers here, so I can set it in 4 different positions and have that set as memory. So right now I have it set at 2 positions, so I have it set at, let's try number 2. So it goes back to 29.5. That's where I have it set for when I'm sitting. If I'm standing, I just press number 1. You can see the motor right here. So that's the motor that controls everything. There's a bar going all the way across. Here, it turns this, so it brings both legs up. That's how it works. If you look right here, you'll see that bar actually turning. And bring itself back up to the set point that you highlighted. I'm really liking it. Really liking this. So guys, I will leave the link for this and everything down below in the description. Check it out. It wasn't that difficult to put together. It took me about 20 minutes, 30 minutes to put together. Guys, this is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I'll talk to you later.
Damn. Are you listening?